Hello all, I would like to welcome you all for the first PUC foundation classes, which is also called as a bridge course, and you are starting up with the online classes, and in these online classes we are going to deal with the basic concepts of your high school as well as the concepts which are related to the first PUC. Now we are conducting these classes due to the outbreak of COVID-19, and you are aware of it also, what is happening in our state, what is happening in our country, and what is happening throughout the globe. So that's why be aware of the COVID-19, be alert, don't be panic, and let us break the chain and let us hope for the economic as well as a strong and healthier country. So first of all, I would like to welcome you all for the first PUC, and I would like to congratulate to come as you have completed your SSLC and you are stepping up in the college life. And before starting with the foundation classes, let me introduce myself to you. Myself is Vijay Prakash, lecturer in biology in Tugal Science College, Jamkandi. So today let's study few basic concepts of the biology, and as many of my student friends are studying, already studied in English as well as Kannada medium. So let us use both these languages so that it will be very convenient for you all. Now, initially we are just conveying you, we are making it more simplified, and we just go through the subject and you can understand it well. And as far as the subject is concerned, all the subjects are very easy, and you can catch these subjects, you can grasp the subject, as I believe that each and every individual students are equally capable of learning, remembering everything. Our motto is, when we deliver the classes, when we teach you, the thing is you have to understand the concept. Don't try to bite it here. Just go on understanding the concepts and you will go with the flow. Okay. So with this introductory word, I would like to start with the introductory part of first PU biology, and here we are going with the basic concepts. Okay, in these few days we are going to tell you only the basic concepts, and this is not the actual syllabus, but these are related to the first PU syllabus. So that's why just concentrate on the classes. As our videos are running on, just concentrate on these classes, look at the videos, understand it, rewind it, and you can see it till you understand it. And meanwhile, if you do not understand any of the concepts, you have an option to ask in our group. Okay, you can ask the questions, you can ask your doubts. Okay, need not worry, feel free to ask your doubts, because the other name of science is questioning. Okay, if you are questioning, you can understand the concepts very easily. Okay, so let's hope for the best, and let me wish you all the success in your college life. With this, let's start with the first video of your college life. Okay, so we'll start with the heading. Biology. Okay, so we are starting with the heading which is called as a biology. Okay, now in this heading, let's see what exactly is it. Suppose if we think what exactly is biology, you will be able to answer. Biology is nothing but study of life, study of living organisms. Where are living organisms present? Living organisms are present throughout the world. They are present in our surrounding. Why you want to look at your surrounding? You yourself is a living organism. Okay, so that makes easy to understand the subject because we are studying the living organisms. So biology is the subject that deals with the life. So the study of life or the study of living organism is called as a biology. And in Kannada, as already you know, as it is a very basic part, we call it as a ಜೀವಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ. ಹಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಜೀವಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಜೀವಿಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಜೀವಿಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕಲ್ಪನೆನೂ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವತ್ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂಥ ಇವಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಜೀವಿಗಳು ಅಂತ ಏಕೆ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅರಿವು ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ನೋ ದ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು as far as bio is concerned, what exactly is biology and what are the parts of biology and who is the father of biology? As we know, Aristotle is the father of biology. Now what are the basic categories of biology? So let's see the basic categories. Biology is divided into mainly two parts. The first part is botany and the second part is zoology. So first part is botany, second part is zoology. Botany, Sashya Shastra. Zoology, Prani Shastra. So what is botany? Study of all the plants. Okay, so which plants? The plants which are present in our garden, the plants which are present in our surrounding, or the plants which are present in your schoolyard, college yard, where? ಯಾವುದು? ಸೊ ಸಸ್ಯಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಅಂತಂತಂದರೆ ಸಸ್ಯಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸಸ್ಯಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾವ? ದೇ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಥ್ರೂಔಟ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್, ಥ್ರೂಔಟ್ ದ ಗ್ಲೋಬ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ botany deals with all the plants that are present in this entire nature. Then regarding botany, we come across a question. Who is the father of botany? The father of botany is a Theophrastus. There is a name. The father of botany is a Theophrastus. Okay. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಸಸ್ಯಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದ ಪಿತಾಮಹ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ we are using both these languages just to convey, just to make the Kannada medium students feel free and easy. Later on, almost by the time we finish the videos, almost you will get acquainted. You will be understanding these English concepts very easily. So that's why don't be afraid. ಭಾಳ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂಜುವಂಥ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಭಾಳ ಈಸಿ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರಳ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡಬೇಕು, ಓದಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ದೆನ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಏನಾದರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳುವಂಥ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶವೂ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನೀವು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ವರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ದ ಸೈನ್ಸ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ damn easy. Do not worry, do not get panic also about the subjects. Okay, so subject ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸರಳ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಾಟ್ನಿ. ದ ಫಾದರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾಟ್ನಿ ಈಸ್ Theophrastus. Then zoology. What is zoology? The study of animals. Zoo refers to animals. Logy means study. So the study of animals is called as zoology. Then who is the father of zoology? The father of zoology is Aristotle. Aristotle is regarded as the father of zoology. Theophrastus is regarded as the father of botany. Both together, as the contribution of Aristotle was more in the introductory part, as a result, Aristotle is regarded as a father of biology. Okay, so this is the basics that we are going to study. Then, what is the other thing that we are going to study? ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೇನು ಕಲಿತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಸಸ್ಯಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸಸ್ಯ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಾವು ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಏನು? So what we are going to study in botany and what we are going to study in zoology. Okay, so both the parts we are going to deal it. Now, regarding the part of botany, what we are going to study? In the botany part, we study different classes. So the first one that we are going to study is the algae. Second is bryophytes. Third one is pteridophytes. Fourth one is gymnosperms. And fifth one is angiosperms. We are going to study all these classes, starting from algae. Algae ನೀವು ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ? ಪಾಚಿಗಳು. Then bryophytes. They are commonly called as amphibians of plant kingdom. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಸಸ್ಯಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದ ಉಭಯವಾಸಿಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. Then bryophytes. Then later on pteridophytes. Pteridophytes, ornamental plants. Okay, almost ಆಭರಣ ರೀತಿ ಇರುವಂಥ ಸಸ್ಯಗಳು. Then gymnosperms, naked seeded plants, ಅನಾವೃತ ಬೀಜ ಸಸ್ಯಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Then finally angiosperms. Angiosperms ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆವೃತ ಬೀಜ ಇರುವಂಥ ಸಸ್ಯಗಳು. Okay, so this is the thing which we are going to study in PU1, and already you have studied this in your high school level also. Okay, the same thing is there. Okay, already ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳು ಇರ್ತಾವ, and the new names will be there. Only the thing is, let's understand this. Okay, now when we come across algae ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ, in the algae there are different classes, different varieties of algae are also there. What are those? Green algae, brown algae, red algae. Already you know it. Okay, what's there in that? ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಆತಂಕ ಪಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಏನದ? algae. We know the three classes of algae. algae ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರುವಂಥವು ಯಾವುವು? ಗ್ರೀನ್ algae, ಹಸಿರು ಬಣ್ಣದಿರುವಂಥವು; ಬ್ರೌನ್ algae, ಕಂದು ಬಣ್ಣದಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು; ರೆಡ್ algae, ಕೆಂಪು ಬಣ್ಣ ಇರುವಂಥ algaeಗಳು. Okay, so these are the three different types of algae that you will study in detail. Okay, ಅದರ ಆನಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. algae ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ, can we give any example for this? Yes, as many examples. Okay, so if you know any examples, you can just go on writing the algae. Chlamydomonas is a algae, Fucus is a algae, Laminaria is also a algae, which is also this Laminaria also sometimes termed as a kelps, the largest algae. Almost ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ? We find it in aquatic water bodies. ನೀರಿನ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು. Either it is in fresh water or in marine water. ಸಮುದ್ರ ನೀರು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಸಿಹಿ ನೀರು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿಹಿ ನೀರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಶುಗರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದ algae. Then if we look at one example, okay, let's take one example. The example is kelps. Okay, we call it as largest algae. ಅತ್ಯಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡವಾಗಿರುವಂಥ algae, ಪಾಚಿಗಳು. Bryophytes. Bryophytes, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ amphibians of plant kingdom. ಸಸ್ಯಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದ ಉಭಯವಾಸಿಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Why they are called as amphibians? Because they require water for their sexual reproduction. ಅದರ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ bryophytes, if we take an example ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ತಗೋಬಹುದು? Markensia, Rixia and Funaria. Other examples are also there. Mosses ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Pteridophytes, In the pteridophytes, lot many examples are there. So we call them as ornamental plants, decorative plants. Almost in the functions, we use the leaves of the pteridophytes. ಈ pteridophytes ಎಲೆಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ, ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಕರ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥವು. They will be more attractive, they look beautifully, and that is the nature's beauty that we have in biology. Pteridophytes ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ನೋಡೋದಾಯ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ, if we look at the example, then what is the example that we can see here? The pteridophytes. Ferns. We have ferns. ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ornamental plants ಅಂತ ಬಳಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay. Then gymnosperms. Gymnosperms almost in these 5 classes. ಈ 5 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಾವು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms 5 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅತಿ ಎತ್ತರವಾದಂಥ ಗಿಡ, ಎತ್ತರವಾದಂಥ ಮರ, the tallest plant in the world belongs to gymnosperms. And I think you may be knowing the example. Yes, it is the red giant wood. Sequoia is the tallest gymnosperm in the world. ಜಗತ್ತಿನಾಗ ಅತಿ ಎತ್ತರವಾದಂಥ ಜಿಮ್ನೋಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇತ್ತಂತಂದರೆ ಅದು ಸಿಕೋವಿಯಾ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಟಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ plant in the entire world. Okay, so we find those plants in the gymnosperms. So example, let us say Sequoia, then Cycas, Pinus, etc. Cycas, Pinus plants ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Then angiosperms. Angiosperms, they are called as flowering plants, flower bearing plants. Already we know you get attracted towards flowers. Why you get attracted towards flower? Because there are very different color flowers. You get attracted towards those colors: red color, yellow color, orange color, pink color, lavender color, different colors. So that's why these angiosperms, we call them as nature's beauty, aesthetic. You get pleasure by that. When you look at a flower, what do you say? Wow, what a beautiful flower. Why? Because you get attracted towards that flower. Okay, ನಾವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈವನ್ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳ ಕೂಡ ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು? ದುಂಬಿಗಳು. ಓಕೆ, ಹನಿ ಬೀಸ್, ದೇ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗೆಟ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ಯಾವ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ? ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದೇರ್ ಕಲರ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತದ? ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಮಕರಂದ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಫ್ರಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಹನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹನಿ ಬೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ because of the presence of these honeybees, the crop plants gets pollinated. Pollinated ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪರಾಗಸ್ಪರ್ಶ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ಈ honeybeesಗಳಿಂದ, ಈ ದುಂಬೆಗಳಿಂದ. ಓಕೆ, so this is regarding the part of the gymnosperm, angiosperms. Angiosperms ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ನೋಡೋದಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, you can take any plant. Angiosperms ಒಳಗಡೆ ಯಾವ ಬೇಕಾದ ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. Out of these you can take rose, then jasmine, ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೂ ಇರಬಹುದು, then chrysanthemum. So different examples are there. So let's take an example of a rose plant. ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೂ ಬಿಡುವಂಥ ಸಸ್ಯಗಳು ಯಾವದವ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ angiosperms ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರುವಂಥವು. Okay, so this is regarding the part of the classes along with the examples of the plant kingdom. Okay, so we also call it as a plant kingdom. ಸಸ್ಯ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರುವಂಥವು. In the kingdom plantae, what are the classes and the examples that we come across? Let's look at the next part, zoology. Now if we look at this part in the zoology, how can we categorize? How can we classify the animals? Okay, so let's go to the heading here. So if we take zoology, ಪ್ರಾಣಿಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ವಿಚ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಯು ನೋ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವಂಥದ್ದೇ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ದಿಸ್ in this year, in the first few. Okay, and in this foundation courses we are just looking at the basic classification of zoology. Now zoology, now we just divided into 2 parts. ಎರಡು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವುವು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟಿಬ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್, also called as non-chordates. Second part is vertebrates. Also called as chordates. So invertebrates, non-chordates, vertebrates or chordates. ಏನನ್ನು ಕರೀತೀವಿ? vertebrates ಕಶೇರುಕಗಳು, invertebrates akasharakagalu. Then what is the basic difference between vertebrates and invertebrates? ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಕಾಣಿಸುವಂತದ? Okay, let's look at the basic character, then we'll go for its classification. Basic character ನಮಗೆ ಏನು? chordates ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ what do they possess? They possess backbone, ಬೆನ್ನು ಮೂಳೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು. non chordates, they do not possess the backbone. Okay, so this is regarding the basic classification. Idu bit innu bere characters ive illi. Okay, we have lot many characters also. So those characters and the classification will continue it in the upcoming classes. Okay, do watch the videos, enjoy the classes, and I hope you all do the best. Thank you.